Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. How are you guys? How's your morning? So here's indicator for TJF. I just know lots of people are going to ask me. Here's indicator for this height from candles. Everything is free. So blue box is TJF box, 20-30% retracement, weekly retracement. First link that I sent in the chat is TJF indicator. Second link that I sent in the chat is height from candles right here. Right here. So what we have right now we have SMT between ES and NQ, right here. Right here, I said right here, yeah. Right here and right here. This is what we have right now. So also both ES and Q failed to offer TJF for now, which is great sign because maybe we will not miss something, right? So first, since we have SMT, we don't really have change in the state of delivery yet. I would say that's fine. That's okay, probably. But what I can see right here, we have fair value gap on 3-minute chart, and we have this 3-minute order block right here with inversion. So now the question for me personally, like, you don't need to answer this. If you made it trade this, to this order block, give us reaction to TJF, or what can happen? It wants to take probably new low, London low, then offer this reaction. So we will see. But TJF is what I want to get today. Yeah, breaker block as well, exactly. Like lots of different PT rays right now at this piece of chart, right? But it's okay to see new low of the day again, since like RTH, you know. So once again, first key level support right now is my blue line, which is 3-minute order block, breaker block, inversion, fair value gap, SMT, blah, 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 lots of different levels right now. Or it wants to take London low, which will remove SMT, and that's totally fine. And then offer TJF later, which is RTH TJF. A bit better for us, right? I'm not going to try to predict, just trying to build a plan. Right? Yes, right. TJF, yeah, 20-30% retracement. First link that I sent in the chat, just scroll up, is TJF indicator. Second link is this height from candles. So once again, I will be totally fine to see London low taken, like new low of the day, RCH, TJF, amazing, perfect, beautiful. Let's see. Today is Friday. Yesterday was amazing, like perfect. Let's see. So right now, ES also retraced to this order block. Oh, I need to make it a bit bigger right here. Yeah, we have news at 10, exactly. So both ES and Q right now at my key level. Yeah, perfect. Exactly. So let's be patient, guys. No need to make stupid mistakes right at the open. Wait for setup. Hello. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So a bit deep retracement, I would say like 95% retracement right here. Right here, 60 to 70.5 approximately. But still inside this OB right here, OB right here. So I want to enter giveaway, guys. I will send the form. Not right now, after 10. Because right now we focus on trading, right? You will enter this giveaway. And I will announce winner by the end of the stream. Yeah, you want to see manipulation below. That's my idea as well. So we're manipulating lower, it offering like new low of the day. Then we look for distribution higher to TGIF, New York Midnight Open. Somewhere there. Yeah, good plan. Good plan. London high, totally agree with you. Now the task to find good setup for this. Maybe after 10. Maybe. We will see. By the way, right now I would like to show you something. Who watched my webinar about liquidity sweep from last week? It should be from last week. Probably everyone watched this, right? Did you see this? Boom. 4-hour sweep, 2 a.m. sweep. What happens right here? Another sweep. That's strange. What happens right here? The test of order block, right? See this? In my group, I said like short was good from here, but looking right now at this level right here, it was also not bad. So basically, we got 4-hour sweep, 2 a.m., right? 30-minute sweep right after we got confirmation of sweep at 6 a.m. The trace to order block on 3-minute chart. Drop. Like overall, guys, that was textbook. If you miss this webinar, highly recommend to watch this. Just go on my YouTube, press live button there and scroll down. You will see ICT model, best ICT models to trade. It goes like this. It goes like this. Actually, I can send the link as well. So why not? This was explained right here. Okay, we got another SMT between ES and NQ. That's beautiful. Right here. And so far we have this right here. Okay, we got new low of the day on NQ. See how strong this order block on ES. We don't want to break below 50% of this order block, which is good for us. Basically, we got BPR right here, right? Even if we got weak down below this level, it's fine because we did not get the closure below 50%. So do I need to care about like we broke below this level? Not really. So we have SMT once again. What else? What else do we have? What else do we have? Maybe something on 15-minute chart. Not really yet. We have SMT waiting for, I guess we don't need to wait for something. It's just going to be quick move. So over here, order block. This blue box is TGF. Yeah, right here, change in the state of delivery, SMT, looking for potential breaker block probably on 1-minute chart. Where's first presented? We don't have first presented fair value gap yet, right? Well, we have this. Oh, actually, we have it. Sorry, guys, I was blind. Hello, guys. Hello. So this blue boxes is, yeah, not big one. Yeah, I know. Anyway, that's first presented what we have right now. Let's try to be patient then. So trying to respect this 1-minute fair value gap. What else? We got this order block on 1-minute chart. How is my gold doing? Guys, who took this trade on gold? Because if you did not take this, it's strange because it was hourly 30-minute sweep, 4-hour sweep, like millions confirmations to enter the short. Blue box is TJF box. TJF box. Because I would like to see TJF today. Okay. What I can see so far, it's just like my opinion right now. Not entirely sure about this yet. So we got sweep. Potential first stage of accumulation, market maker buy model. Let's see. Because if it wants to stay as a sweep, so we don't want to see price breaking below this level anymore. But for example, retracing down to this order block, displacing, so should pump it right here. So ugly arrow. But you got my point. So let's see. It's only 940, so makes sense to wait for 945, 950, probably for 950 macro. If not, then silver bullet. Because normally, first stage of accumulation happens when we have silver bullet. I don't know why, cannot explain this, but right now it's only 938. So maybe it's too early to talk about this. Maybe. But TJF today, if not today, then it's a scam. Median sign of TJF, look at this daily chart. 1, 2, 3 candles in a row, downside candles in a row, like TJF expected. Just I cannot see good entry yet. Yes, we have news at 10, that's why I'm not in a rush right now to take any trades. Let's see if gold can take this level right here, because I was looking for like small market maker sell model right here. I'm not saying it cannot drop lower. I don't know. Like I'm just looking for like market maker sell model on lower time frame, 5-minute chart. Equal lows right there. So we got SMT, initial SMT between gold and silver. It was failed on silver, was kind of tricky then. Exactly. Oh, good morning. But you're here right now, so you didn't miss anything. Yeah, let's wait. So even if it wants to drop before 10 a.m., that's fine, because preferable to see TJF for silver bullet. I hope so, at least. Yes, probably it's Tuesday high of the week. I don't want to see new high today. This is what I think. So as you can see, trying to hold this low right here, which can be intermediate term low right here, which supports for, oh, look at this line, amazing. Which supports idea with first stage of accumulation. Yes, this blue box is TJF. TJF so expected today. I will spend my time on explaining why by the end of stream, okay? Just let's try to be focused right now. Also, I like how we have London high, weekly open, and New York midnight open right inside this TJF box. First presented right here, we have flat candle, as you can see. Flat candle right here. Still left, so we did not retrace to first presented fair value gap like at all yet. My concern. yeah, let's focus, guys. Spend time on some explanation right after stream, like after 11. So first percent fair value gap right now open. We never retraced to this fair value gap yet. What else? What else? What else do we have? Is it 30 minutes? Yeah. For trader weight, I don't know. For trader weight, unfortunately. I only know how it looks on IntraDay. I'm so sorry. Cannot help you with this. So ES just retraced to first presented. And you still above this level? So I'm happy it's not first stage of accumulation right here because it's too early for this. So it makes me feel like so good right now. Okay, ES still inside first presented and Q still above this level. So since structure is broken, now the question, how we can respect this order block on 1 minute chart? Can we, for example, drop from there? Since structure is broken for market maker buy model, I'm happy it's broken because it's still too early for this. Because if it's, for example, let's say it's trying to hold what I don't like at this point, silver bullet. I cannot really see displacement yet from this order block, but if we get this, it can be in place. So let's see. I cannot say like it's trade idea yet because I cannot see like displacement. But if we displace, then yes. Should be something like this. Something like this. With target, all I have is equilibrium Friday range. That's pretty much it. But once again, I'm so happy it invalidated this structure right here. Because silver bullet could be strange at this point. So happy with this. Cannot really displace, right, yet. Maybe it's this waiting for 10 a.m. It's also possible. No displacement from order block. But also we don't have any reaction from first presented on... yes. So I sit in my hands right now, not going to be in rush. Structure not obvious yet. Hello. Hello. I just wanted to think in terms of market maker model, right? And right here, I cannot see perfect structure right now, yet at least. Just cannot see the structure. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Don't really want to use YM for confirmation, honestly. It loves to live your own life. Sometimes it's going to confuse you even more. But structure right now not obvious, both yes and Q. For market maker buy model, this is why I have no interest right now in longing this market. Unfortunately, or fortunately. Stuck in the range, okay. Yes, of course. For 30-minute sweep, exactly. Kind of yes looks a bit more bearish right now than in Q. If it wants to displace below this order block, which is not yet, I believe we can drop to equilibrium Friday range. 790? Probably not that far from London low right here. Because I cannot see any other levels. Yes, I cannot see any other levels yet. But no displacement from order block as well. You're looking for... Yeah, he wants to see a bit lower first. At least both ES and Q entered first presented fair value gap. It's not a goal anymore. If not mistaken, ICT said you cannot use 9 AM candle for first presented fair value gap. This means first presented was right here at 9:45. So at Trade 20 Apex accounts, they pay, and they pay lots of my members as well. So I didn't see any complaints about this, like for the last couple of months. Yes, today TJF, this is what I want to see. Just waiting for a structure. Seems like NQ is weak right now, is stronger. We're still inside this order block, trying to displace. Going to see how big range. 38 points. That's so strange. Trying to displace from this order block, that's good. Once again, looks like NQ is weak right now. Yes, stronger. Part of me wants to short this move down right now, but kind of not. I don't feel comfortable because we got displaced. I just don't really feel comfortable right now. When I don't feel comfortable, I simply like trying to stay away. But okay, just will try to sit on my hands. Just part of me wants to see like drop right now, and because we're trying to displace from this order block exactly what I want to see. This seems like short opportunity, like as I said before. Like always, it's always annoying. Like, you know, when I'm not going to lie, when I feel like it's tricky, normally I stay away, but every single time it goes in my favor. And I'm like, are you serious? What did I do to this world? What's wrong with you, Dasha? Oh, that was amazing anyway. You got my point, right? Oh, thank you. Because right here, once again, since see, we did not have displacement right here, but right here it was clearly displacement. I'm like, oh my God, why it's so annoying? But it's okay, so I'm not going to complain about this. At least happy I decided to stay away. It was my decision, so. Millions different SMTs right now at lows, but price doesn't want to expand higher, which is... What? What's wrong with you? Another SMT, see this, guys? Ridiculous. Like, clearly ridiculous. Oh my God, are you serious? We have 3 SMT at lows. And QGAT, what should I do with this? Just tell me. I don't understand. What's the point of creating 3 SMTs? Like, you're trying to say just press buy button or what? And QGAT, help us. We don't understand this. Okay, guys, just ignore SMT. Like, let's pretend we don't have any SMT. Like, we cannot see this. From what I can see right here, since we got 30-minute sweep, we got reaction from 3-minute order block, we got displacement from 1-minute order block. That's bearish. And like, if ignoring every single SMT, like, pretend we don't have it, I would short from here, said before. We got 15-minute reclaimed on 15-minute. I see this, yeah. But no FOMO, guys. If you want to short right now, it's late, too late. So no FOMO right here. Just stay away. Just stay away. When it's tricky, guys, and really, if you cannot answer why you want to short, for example, like why I want to short, what I can see right now, what was confirmation, if you cannot answer these questions, this trade is not for you. Like, trust me. Simply because you want to see something doesn't mean like it should go there. Right? Right. So we are all smart people right here. So we don't want to make stupid mistakes. No matter how good it looks to downside. By the way, I noticed like end of the month, I'm not that smart. Not that bad normally. So yeah, sometimes it's like bad, but I guess it's not the end of the month is not the reason for this bad price action. But agree with me, guys. Short wasn't bad, especially with this displacement. It was weak, and QES was good. Supported bearish structure. Basically, both offered exactly the same setup. So exactly the same setup. It's like up to anyway. Who cares? Is it 10? Not yet? Are you serious? It's not 10 still? Are you serious? Happy Friday. Hello. Good morning. Moving SMT a bit right here because it's still SMT. Nothing changed. Yeah, I saw Ryan post. I was like, I don't understand teenager jokes. He was trolling me. It's okay. I always do this as well. It was just a joke, so don't worry. I just, I posted on Twitter, like, why people trying to hide their last numbers on their PA accounts, Apex accounts. I was like, what's the point if you trying to talk about transparency? Why you don't want to show like last numbers of your PAs? And he was trying to troll me, but I didn't get the point. Not going to lie about it. Don't worry. So it was a joke. Because lots of people post huge profit, and that's annoying. Like lots of people post huge profit on Twitter with their PA accounts, Apex accounts, funded accounts, but they always hide their name of Apex account, like last numbers. Like, why not to show how many accounts did you blow? I mean, of course, if I'm going to blow, let's say, like 100, 200 accounts, eventually I can show, like, if I'm going to full port them, I'm going to, like, trade 8 minutes and I'm going to show huge profit. Reason? I knew it will happen. Look at this drop. Ridiculous. Not fair. Anyway, I mean, only part of me wants to short. Yeah, what's the point of hiding these numbers? What? I don't know. I don't hide them. Because I have still like from 1 to 24 because I blew 4 accounts before. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't have 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I have 11 until 20 and 21, 22, 23, 24. So. We want to short from here. Painful. But it's fine. Just next time, Dasha, if you're part of you want to short, just trade with smaller size. Well. Yes, you're looking for TJF, nothing changed. Yes, nothing changed. Overall, I would like to see TJ of this blue box. Wanted to short from here, not on like wanted. Part of me wants to short from here, but I was like, from here, not from here. But I decided to stay away. Anyway, not even feel disappointed. That's fine. That's fine. That's normal. Good for journal at least, right? Perfect displacement from this order block. Move down. Yeah. But that's okay. $601. I don't have like 60. Oh, previous week low level. I have it. Okay. But 790 is equilibrium Friday range. It's equilibrium Friday range. Okay, anyway, it's time for silver bullet. Let's try to be focused. We have 4-hour order block. Oh, right below equilibrium Friday range. Okay, that's great. What ES did? Let's check. With this order block on 1-hour chart, right? Inside this order block on ES. I'm sorry, guys. Actually, we're already inside for our order block right here. And what else? What else? Actually, exactly same on ES, pretty much in sync right now, finally. So both structure, both instruments, ES and NQ inside 1 hour and 4 hour OB already. And this actually supports idea that only level that I have lower is equilibrium Friday range over here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Let's be focused right now. No reason to predict where market can go. I mean, can go, right? Let's look what market wants to offer first. Because right now, a bit choppy right here, right? Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Trying to look structure on different instruments. Because if I cannot see perfect setup on, let's say on NQ, I will try to look for a different idea. Okay, let's see what we can see. Sweep over here on 4 hour chart. 1 hour chart, not 4 hour chart. By the way, sweep right here as well. It's silver. Okay, we don't have any 5-minute FHs right here at this point. We do have sweep on 1 hour chart right here. Amazing. What else? Sweep. We have fair value gap. So right now the question for gold, if I want to look, for example, continuation higher from this fair value gap, my interest. Let's put alert. So you don't need to sit and wait for something. Okay, so I'm going to set alert at this fair value gap on 5-minute chart on gold. If you made a trace right there and give us reaction, we'll try to this long. Structure a bit tricky on silver, right? CL right now. Not entirely sure what I want to see on CL yet. If bullish, must stay above 50% of this week right here. Must stay above this level. Closure above this blue line should offer continuation higher. Try to target profit where we want to see. It's painful. It's painful. I literally was looking for short from here to here. Well, who cares? It's already happened without me. Who cares right now? No one. When everyone, it's like, it's a signal for everyone. When everyone wants to long, we must short. Like, no matter what, we must short. At least one smart people in the chat right now. A smart person in the chat right now. Yeah, you can use for username, you can just put @ or without @ you will get, because if you don't want to put @ I will do this by myself. So it's up to you. Yes, guys, I did not short because of you. You said don't short this. Don't read the chat next time, right? It's okay. So not both. Yes, it's about to hit equilibrium in the range. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Okay, yes, left equilibrium Friday range. Lower by a couple of points. TJF is right here. Still expect to get TJF today. Nothing changed. Hello, hello. Previous week low is 140 points away. You're good support, I see. Thank you. Just relax there. Thank you. Perfect support from you, as always. So both yes and you took equilibrium Friday range. Absolutely, absolutely amazing short. this displacement right here. So you guys, I'm left-handed person trying to write using my right hand. Displacement right here. Right here, which was confirmation. Bar chart looks bearish for me. The level that we have lower is this week right here and previous week low, which is, by the way, equal lows. When we have displacement, we never need to like retest. Like you just open to you are free to open to trade right here once you got displacement candle, which I want to do. This is why I said like part of me wants to short once I saw this displacement. From here we stop loss right here, target right here. This is what I meant, saying like part of me wants to short from this displacement. No, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Not that fast, I guess. I'm looking for TJF today, no matter what. As the end of the day or end of lunch, for example, or AM session. But this blue box must hit. Yeah, once again, never trust 1 minute setup once we got big drop. Use 1 minute chart as continuation, but not as reversal setups. Never ever in your life. No matter how big this drop was, just don't trust 1 minute chart. Yeah, we have liquidity right here and we have previous week low level. So right now we're inside for our order block on and Q. We have small volume imbalance on our chart lower, near 490, which is it's not lined up with it. So we got one more liquidity sweep, big displacement. They really want to take previous week low level without any retracements. That's crazy. $90 points away from here, so still above the sell side liquidity right here, and yeah, so close to previous week low level. Huge 50-minute fair value gap. It will not help us. In 5-minute chart, we have fair value gap right here. Okay, I'm going to highlight this. What about projections? Yeah, from this swing low to this swing high. Manipulation. First deviation right below the sell side. I would say it's the middle between the sell side liquidity and previous week low level, which means we can hit this. If you want to see, for example, lower, and we have strong downtrend, we can use 1-minute chart for continuation lower, but once again, not for reversal. Will not be surprised to see like previous week low today, but let's wait for potential retracement first. What time frame for reversal? For example, like 2 days ago, I believe, we got 5-minute perfect confirmation. So yeah, 5-minute chart and higher. Like don't trust 1-minute chart. 2-minute chart also, like so, but never 1-minute chart. It's my opinion, so it doesn't mean like 1-minute chart cannot work at this for this point. No, it's just my opinion. TJF moved right here. Kind of big range right now. Where's the name open? The name open is going to be level for IM session and lunch. Yeah, for example, 5-minute change in the state of the yeah, exactly. Yeah, right now what we have is for our order block, right? We're so close to the sell side liquidity level. We're already below equilibrium Friday range, so we are inside discount of previous week range right now, right? We're in discount of previous week range. Look at this potential sweep. So previous week low doesn't look bad, especially if it looks like equal lows. Yeah, sweep, continuation, this sell side liquidity first, which is like short-term liquidity, then continuation. What else do we have there? We have small equal lows right here. I would say 15-minute chart. It was equal lows right there. Yeah, B B adjustment on. Yes. So we took the sell side liquidity. 60 points away from a previous week low level. I don't know, silver for me looks more bearish than gold. Oh, that's 1 minute chart. Okay. Mitigation block right here. First deviation so close, previous week level so close. Let's say they want to trap right now us with like fake reversal, leaving this forced deviation previous week low level, but probably it's going to be just retracement. Also, we have flat candle right here, right? Give me 1 second, I'm going to check weekly chart again real quick. From what I can see on ES, definitely we have moved from external to internal back to external. I will tell you, lots of people were looking for long to London highs and possible short. Did not happen, so do we need to complain about this? No, it's already happened, so focus on another step. I mean, I also want to do something like, who cares right now, right? First deviation taken. I feel like end of the day move will be long. If not end of the day, like after 11. Okay, on silver, I'm looking for it's already dropped. As I said, on silver, it looks bearish for short. So that's why it's not in sync with gold. If silver shows extremely bearish picture, I don't want to short gold. A long gold, not short. Because silver right now looks bearish, in my humble opinion. You're trying to be patient right now, just focused. Every single time when we're so close to important liquidity levels, they're trying to play games, like faking out reversals, blah, blah, blah. So they probably will fake this. Move up right now to continue going lower to this previous week low level. Or what's the point to leave previous week low level right now when we're so close to this level? To play games only. Otherwise, it's stupid. Yeah, when I trying to trade gold, I would like to watch silver as well. For example, this morning silver suggested SMT, so to short gold. And right now I saw like silver was bearish. I cannot long gold, obviously, right? So yeah, it's good to compare these instruments. What do you mean chart settings? Colors? Yeah, I'm going to do giveaway after 11, as I said before. But right now I'm going to send the form, guys, for you. Guys, here's the form. You can enter giveaway. I'm going to pin this message. So click this form, enter needed information. And good luck. And yes, who is going to like apply this twice, 3 times? I'm not going to count you. Just one entry. If it's going to be like 2, 3, 4, I'm going to like, you're not going to play in this. Just one entry. So this is really ridiculous situation. They must take this. So one entry, guys. If like one more than one, you're not going to participate in this. See pin message in the chat, just right here. right here. And good luck, guys. Good luck. So I'm going to do 5 My Funded Futures 50K Starter Plan accounts giveaway. So in order to enter giveaway, you need to just click the link, pin message in the chat, and you will be entered. Wish you good luck. One entry only. If more than one, you're not going to participate in this. Colors. Okay. Can you send me this message on Twitter? I will send this later. So close to previous week low level must be taken. Looking for a potential long opportunity after ES will break below previous week low level. Maybe even lower. Like, maybe something like this. I hope I'm not asking too much. Where's this? I'm not entirely sure about the exact setup, but probably it's going to be 5-minute order block. Something like this. Let's see how it goes. I believe I will enter on NQ, just want to use confirmation on ES first. Hope to drop another like 17 points lower. Did not take this previous week low level. Still anticipate to get this move. I cannot say for sure what level I would like to see in NQ, that's why I will look for ES, move down. And I don't care, NQ took previous week low level. Yes, we'll take this as well. With 101% probability. %20 is right here. Okay. I will adjust this because if we continue going lower, this box is going to go lower as well. You entered the trade at 657. Yes, that was an entry. I also saw this. No, I will take the trade on NQ. Just would like to use yes as confirmation. Because probably I'm blind. I cannot see any other levels lower right now. Like what level I can aim for. We have this sell side liquidity. We have volume imbalance right here. Right? Now you can enter the giveaway as well. So don't worry about this. Hello, Michael. We're ready to see from you because we literally wanted to short from here. Like, literally. I was like, part of me want to short from here, but in some opinion, in some magical reason, I said like, but something stops me. Wanted to short from here. Tell us you shorted from there because it was obvious textbook, and we need to learn more because it was amazing. Oh my god. I'm not really disappointed, but you know. Pretty sure you shorted somewhere from here because it was textbook. Yes, it also was first presented, like lots of millions confirmation, like just press sell button right here. Press sell button right here. We displaced from this order block. What else do you need, Dasha? Like, what else do you need? Anyway. Anyway. It's already happened, so no reason to talk about this. Yeah. See? From first presented fair value gap, it was amazing trade. Good job. Honestly, all I want to see, I mean, previous week low level amazing, but I want to see equilibrium Friday range. Like right here. This drop amazing, but just want it a bit lower. Link. Don't pay attention. It's like it's a bot, YouTube bot. Yeah, it deletes every single message that he doesn't like. Happens. Yeah. Well, Vedige's worst in a deviation. ES failed to take previous week low level. Like, literally failed. This means we have SMT right now. Is it TJF then? Because TJF right now lines up with equilibrium Friday range. Just a bit concerned right here, this point. See, like equal lows right now. I'm sorry, guys. Also like this long, but looks like it wants to reverse like right now at this specific second. What? Buy a tick? Seriously? Low 50.50. No. Maybe on micro ES, it took this level. On ES, it failed. So, did not take this. Makes me feel like possible one more move lower. I hope so. To see this one? Oh, please. It's not enough for reversal, at least for me. Maybe a bit higher. We have fair value gap right here, mitigation block right here, maybe somewhere right here. Let's see. And if it wants to reverse, look for reversal to TJF. I don't know where TJF is going to be. Maybe will line up with this flat candle, weekless candle, maybe. That's the plan. If it wants to play out, I don't know. Like, let's see. To flat candle, a bit higher, like this. So that's my plan right now. Probably will give it a try. If I get this, of course. If not, then I will not give it a try. Simple. I know, like, I feel like I would like to give it a try, but let's see. Give it a shot. Let's see. Yeah, I will try. Just want to try this one first. Just trying to follow my plan. My concern is, yes, left previous week low level. Trying to short from this not perfect breaker block. If wrong, then okay. That's fine. Oops, I entered with one contract? Are you serious? Entered with one contract, unfortunately. It's lagging a bit. Well, it's okay. Okay. Okay, that's first attempt. To see how it goes. My concern is left previous week low level. Actually, I mean, it can be scalped to this low right here. And if may take this low right here, I may actually try to trail my stop loss. What's wrong? Why I cannot highlight this properly? Only concern right now is yes. So that's why I want to give it a try. Don't want to add more, but happy I enter at least with one contract. Could be two, but well. So I do this plan, guys. I want to follow this. If I'm not going to follow my plan, this means it's not bad. This means it's bad. It's not good. So that's my plan. That's what I want to see. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. I need to accept this. Yes, did not sweep this. If you just go on ES, yes, low is 50.50. Previous week low level is 50.50. So far it's equal lows. I'm waiting. If, for example, invalidation can be formation of 5-minute order block, so I can change my mind and try again with this opportunity right here, with 5-minute order block, to try this one. Then I can try this at this point, like this one. But first we need to form 5-minute order block. We don't have it yet. So let's see how it goes. So once again, would like to show you this. See, low of this 50.50. Low of this candle is also 50.50 right here. I even can show you, highlighting the price. See? This level never was taken. That's why I'm like, should go lower probably, you know. If I'm not going to give it a try, then I will be more disappointed with this. But I will be, once again, I will say okay, probably invalidation once 5-minute order block created. Somewhere right here. 5-minute OB is above this high. At this point, yes, it's going to invalidate my idea. I mean, perfect. We will try long then. Because, for example, right now we have SMT. NQ took previous week low level, ES failed. Well, it's time to try this. How is it possible? I'm blind? I did not take this one. I literally showed this before, before. As you can see, previous week low 50.50, low of this candle 50.50. It failed. Why cannot see this? Maybe it's on ES. We took this. Maybe. Let me see. Okay, yes, on ESM we took this level. Then yes, we took this on ESM, but we did not take this on ES because one tick difference right now. Well, right now it's getting tricky, but it's okay. Not going to close below because of this. Anyway, if it's invalidation, 5-minute order block must be created. Then yes, I will invalidate my idea. To say like, yeah, that's a long opportunity. I will try to long this. We'll give it a shot, blah, blah, blah. Still sitting in this trade. Are you serious? Did not hit my TP at the sell side liquidity level. Going to move at big given. What? Why did not feel my TP? I feel robbed right now. It did not hit my TP right here because it was so quick. Anyway, right now it's free trade. Not going to complain about this. Happens. Good try. It hit your TP? What? It's ridiculous. Scam. Anyway, like, stop loss at break even free trade. But feel robbed right now. What? Did you smell this scammy price action? It hit mine. What? Why it did not hit mine? Market makers, you don't like funded accounts? What's wrong with this? Oh. See this ridiculous price action? At least I did not hit my TP. It's like scalp trade. Since ES is about to take previous week low level. Did not take, by the way, yet. Okay, we took this low right here. As I said, I'm going to trail stop loss. Left the sell side liquidity right here. So, should I care about this? No. Like scalp trade to me. Previous week low taken on ES. Right now I'm happy, so previous week low taken on ES. Trying to give us reaction without taking sell side liquidity on NQ. Still happy with this trade. Followed my plan. No matter what will happen, followed my plan. So happy with the performance. If you should just go on ES, see, previous week low taken. Amazing, guys, that's amazing. Right now, just going to wait. Anyways, same structure. We need to have 5-minute order block to validate potential long. Short on ES was good, was obvious. On ES, on NQ. That's why I took the short on NQ. Yes, it did not hit my final TP by 1 tick, but it's going to be free trade right now. I'm not going to complain about this, you know? Next time, just need to put the target profit 1 tick higher. Okay, I was in this trade, guys, this one. For 40 points. Anyway, okay, good try. It was winning trade idea, so when lots of people said like, no. Happy with my performance. Amazing. Did not stop me out, by the way, yet. It may, but did not yet. Target remains the same, sell side liquidity right here. Still would like to see yes right here. As you can see, it literally reversed from my level right here. I don't mind to see yes slightly lower. Now the question if I may hit my final TP. Because accidentally I entered only with one contract. It was break your block trade. Simple as that. Enter it with you guys, so nothing to hide. Woohoo! I told you I was right. I'm happy to be right. I'm happy to be right. Yay! I'm happy to be right. Good scalp with one contract. Good points at this point. Okay, guys, double in the chat. We took this together. Never listen to anyone. Just listen to yourself. We are best in this in this trade. Not many people traded. Let's see. I mean, my final. If accidentally entered with 1 minute, but I want to trade with 2 contracts. Let's see if let's imagine I have second contract. Could we hit my final TP? Could we hit my final TP? But for 40 point scalp is great. So I'm not going to complain about this in this consolidation. What do you mean by signals? I literally trade in front of people, so nothing to hide. For fun, I mean, in order to take trades for fun, I need to see setup for this. Good call. Good call. Yeah, from breaker block trade. Just before this happened, follow my plan. Never listen to anyone. Just follow your plan. No, I only shorted. Literally entered in front of you guys. Nothing to hide. Yeah. And I'm not going to lie, it was interesting because let's say ESM June contract took previous week low level, but ES failed. That's a great sign for me that, yeah, probably will go lower. Look at this. Literally like what I expected to get. If you guys were smarter than me, you can leave your runner. Like, just trail your stop loss, but leave runner right here to this 4-hour volume imbalance. So on ES, I'm looking for forced standard deviation to look potential reversal, which may actually confirm reversal, right? Yes, it may. Guys, 1 in the chat if we hit this final TP, 2 in the chat if we will not. Will we hit this? 1 or 2? Who knows? 3. We will hit this final TP since he is like 12 points away from my key level that I expect to get. 2 or 1? 2 no, 1 yes. Can we hit this? Can we hit this? 2? Okay. Lots of 1s right here. Okay. Because if so, this trade will give us 3.7 R. If I decide too long, I will show you, don't worry. Nothing to hide. ES is, let's move this to the right here. ES is 14 points away from levels that I expect to get today. Will we hit this or not? Let's see. Because if we get this first standard deviation right here, you can see my chart, right? So I expect to get TJF then. Guys, keep this first standard deviation in the chart, which is 56.33.75. If we hit this, preferable to look for reversal. Where? To TJF. Do you need indicator for TJF, or you can draw this manually? It's up to you. But so far, so good. 2. Come on. You had to say like yes, 1. Something. Oops. Something went wrong with my internet. Guys, okay, if you need indicator for TJF, I'm going to send in the chat right now. Since we got win today for Friday, amazing, on 20 accounts. Here's indicator for TJF. Guys, if you see pinned message in the chat, is this pinned message for giveaway? Today I'm going to give away 5 MyFunded futures, 50k Stars Plan accounts. If you would like to participate, I will give you, what time is this? 8 more minutes to enter this giveaway, and we will start announcing I will start announcing users at 11:15. 11:15, I will start announcing winners. Well, right now we may have some fun or something like this. You know, guys, I don't like to do giveaways while market is moving, so I prefer to do this right after we finished, right? So right now I'm just waiting. Of course, you can spot this. It's over here. I'm not sure if you can see this on NQM, which is June contract, but on regular NQ chart is right here. See this? 519 is the top of this volume imbalance. I'm not entirely sure like we can hit this, but maybe. Maybe. Okay, guys, do you want to talk about overall bearish bias today? Do you want to see? I can actually explain if you want why I was like more bearish today, or like I don't need to explain this. Why if yes and if no in the chat, so I will understand. I will just explain why I was looking like more bearish today. If so, yes, let's do this. No, you could say yes, like. It's good to know, so yeah, let's cover this. What I want, let's switch on NQM, so I don't have drawings there. You have to say. Okay, guys. Who watched my webinar on Monday, last Monday? So I will understand like everyone at the same page with me. Who watched? I guess lots of people watch this, right? Me too. I also liked conservative TP. Yeah, lots of people watch this. What we know right here is if we get 2 AM sweep, right? 2 AM sweep. So we may anticipate like continuation lower based on 15-minute fair value gap or 30-minute sweep, 3-minute entry. Everyone remembers this, right? So right here, in order to confirm this potential continuation lower, we need to wait for 6 a.m. Perfect, amazing. Here's 6 a.m. Where is 6 a.m.? Where's my 6 a.m.? Oh, it's 5 hours chart. It's like, 6 a.m. is right here. Right after 6 a.m., what we want to see? We want to see 30-minute liquidity sweep. Happened? Did it happen? Yes, it happened. Like, of course, it happened right here. Okay. Since we got sweep right here, we are going to wait for a new candle, which was at 7 a.m. So what we want to do, we want to switch on 7 a.m. right here. And our task is to find order block. Can we see order block? Can we see order block? Yes, absolutely. We can see this. And yes, price is back to this level. So we could enter like for 2R. With stop loss above the swing high. With stop loss above the swing high for 2R. Or you could aim for example, London low. It's up to you. For example, like this, right? Okay. Give me 1 second. That was our first confirmation. What else can we see right here? What happened right at the open? We got another 30-minute liquidity sweep right here. Well, we are going to switch on 30-minute chart. And what happens right here? That's why I highlighted this 3-minute order block and was like, we need to continue going lower. That's why I'm like, look at this. It's trying to go higher right now. Okay, anyway, let's cover this. So what happens right here? We got 3-minute order block once we got 30-minute liquidity sweep. That's why I said like part of me wants to short this because we trace to this 3-minute order block. What else? We got 1-minute order block right here, right? And as I said, like if we displace from this order block, it can be short. But once again, I did not expect to get like previous week low level. I want to see 790, which was what? It was equilibrium of Friday range right here. So trade could be like this. And right here, since previous week low was failed to be taken on ES, I was looking for short to liquidity level, which was what the price? 76, like this. Like this. And we traded. So I traded this one. Can't complain about winner, so perfect, amazing. Let's see what happened on ES. ES trying to offer reaction from previous week low level. Let's see if it's like real reaction or not real reaction. In order to confirm this, like it's going to be real reaction or not real reaction, fake reaction, we must have 5-minute order block. If you don't mind, I'm going to delete this. For this means that ideally, we need to have 5-minute order block to validate our long idea. Right now, can I long? Can I long right now? Not really. So in my opinion, in order to long this, I must have 5-minute order block, which is going to be right here. Can I say with this move up right here, we got order block? Is it order block? Yes, no. Is it order block? It's not order block yet. My target was sell side liquidity right here. Simply because I was looking for near sell side liquidity because he has left previous week low level. It's not yet, exactly. So we cannot say that's 5-minute order block. Let's try to long this. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. But it can be. It can be. Funny to see, like I put this random entry right here just because it's random entry. For some reason, like my guess was to the tick. I can see the future, guys. You know why? You know how I can see the future? See this? You don't have it, that's why you cannot see the future. But I do have it, so I can see the future. That's why I was comfortable. I was comfortable with this short because Crystal Ball was screaming like, Dasha, take it. If you're not going to take it, then like I will find another user, like we're not friends anymore. Like, take it. Crystal Ball. Yes, you don't have it, but I do have it. See this? Oh, that's heavy. It has lots of information. Oh my god. It's time to announce the winner. It's 11:15. I promised, guys, I'm going to announce the winners. It's time for giveaway. And right now, we have 298 entries. I'm going to show you right now. We have, and that's it, so I'm not going to. We have 298 entries right now. So you guys, I cannot for some reason move my tab right here, so you will not see this anyway. So, but right now we have 209. I'm not going to accept any entries anymore. This one, and that's it. 289. 298. I'm sorry, guys. Right now I'm going to open Google. Pick random numbers. How can I? I'm going to disconnect. Give me 1 second. I will try to help you with this. OBS, can you help me with this, please? I need to Google random numbers. Window. I know. Okay. Giveaway. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna open this. Where's my... Microsoft. Where is my Microsoft? Oh, I found it. Here we go. I found it. Once again, we have 298 entries. Generate. Number 13 first. Where is my 13? 5 accounts giveaway, guys. First one is going to be 13. Second one is 212. Next one, 87. Next one, 173. And last one is 87. Oh, I already got it. 286. Like, coincidentally, 87 is like it today, like 2 times. Okay, 5 winners selected. Going to put names in the chat right now. Guys, stop chatting right now. Stop sending messages. First winner is this guy. First winner. Second one is 212. 212 is where are you? Where are you? Oh, here we go. Is this one. Second winner. I don't know who is this, but this guy. Third winner. 87. 87 is... Scroll up. 87 is right here. Third winner is right here. Congratulations. 173. Scroll down again. Okay, found you. Oops. Congratulations. And last one is 286. Quick reminder, guys. This one. Congratulations. Amazing, guys. Congratulations. So, quick reminder, this account will not have activation fee. Once you pass, you don't need to pay anything. It's completely free from the very beginning. So, you will pass evaluation, and after this, you don't need to pay anything. Don't worry, we're going to have more giveaways, so you don't need to complain about this. Congratulations, guys. So you will get email with information what you need to do. It's free, once again. Completely free. You don't need to pay for anything. Thank you. Thank you for participating. So it was random selection. So it's not me. You were lucky. So just would like to remind you, if it's free, please, no need to gamble this account. Just take this seriously. Try to pass them. Try to work on them. Don't make stupid mistakes simply because for example, let's say you got a losing trade. Don't try to recover this. Just keep this account, please. Good job, guys. Good job with our trade right here. By the way, our trade is still fine. Give me 1 second. Let's see where was our original stop loss. Hey, where is this? I deleted, right? Why it's moving? It's so funny. Where's our original stop loss? Okay, I'm going to draw this again. Where we entered. What's the price? It was over here. Well, first target was over here. Right? No, it was higher, honestly. Second target was over here. Let's see how it goes. Interesting, but it's still trying to hold original entry. Good. I already took the short, so I'm not. It's Friday, so I prefer to be happy with what I have. I took the trade with everyone, guys. I already disconnected everything from here to here. No need to complain about this. So I hope you enjoyed the stream. We were patient. We were waiting for setup. Amazing, perfect, beautiful. I don't know. If you left runner, as I said, keep this runner to this level right here. Remember what I said? I will be ready to talk about reversal once ES confirms this. Why ES? Because ES stronger today, in my opinion. And I would like to see move lower to this first standard deviation, as I said before. Ideally, I don't know what will happen. I don't know. But if imagine I'm a market maker, I would like to see move still lower to this first standard deviation, which is 56, 33.75. And if it wants to reverse like today to TJF, preferably, ideally, in my perfect world, I would like to see from here. If from here, okay, but preferably from here. So I'm going to be done. So it's Friday. I want to be happy with what I have. Monday, it's weekend, so I'm so happy it's Saturday tomorrow. ICT has this, so you can watch Six Sister video, you can watch a video about SMT, you can watch about Six Sister. So Six Sister, perfect video to study, right? Okay, guys. I wish you a perfect weekend. Please don't make stupid mistakes today anymore. It's Friday, so take it easy, okay? Be happy with what you have. Study, backtest. Please. You're smart people, okay? Okay, guys, I will see you next week. Probably we are going to have finally backtest session. I hope we are going to have backtest session. Yeah. See you guys. Perfect. Wish you perfect weekend. You send me direct message on Instagram. Perfect. I will check right now. Any other questions? What I promised to answer. We don't have order block on 5-minute chart yet. You're waiting for the closure. You're waiting for the closure once again. Strategy review. That's simple strategy. Breaker block. Unicorn. We got breaker block, fair value gap. It was unicorn. That's it. Simple as that. Classic unicorn setup. Combination of fair value gap and breaker block. What else do you need? Absolutely nothing. Executed in my funded Apex accounts. Happy with what I have, guys. Okay, guys, if any important question, yes, it was in deep discount. But what was confirmation? What we saw right here? Failure to take previous week low level on ES. So definitely it must reverse to this level. If not, then it will reverse later to this level. But it's way better to reverse like somewhere from here, because once again we left previous week low level right here. Then we got like huge move up, then like reversal from nowhere all the way down, like huge sell off again. In my opinion, it's way better to get like small minor retracements than continuation lower. It's way better. Yeah, I have bookmap, so if you're trying to use this as confirmation, maybe as like main entry point based on that liquidity level there, you can try to play with this, but I'm only interested in 5-minute order block, which is still this high right here. So once again, if you may get this one, closure. I don't care about tips. You don't need to care about tips as well. Closure above this level should offer move higher. I'm not talking about huge reversals, but I'm talking about like retracement, finally retracement. Right now, I cannot see any long opportunity. If you can get 5-minute breaker block, if you see perfect setup, enter. So I cannot stop you from this. I'm going to be done, so I'm not going to execute anymore. Open weekly chart, and highlight low of weekly candle on ES and on NQ. Yes, you will receive email. I don't know, like maybe tomorrow, maybe on Sunday. Yes, I did take trade with everyone right here. This scalp, perfect scalp, amazing scalp, was good trade. I do trade 20, 50K accounts, Rhythmic accounts. Love it, easy to pass in my opinion. So if you want to get Apex accounts, highly recommend to get 50K, maybe 150K, but 50K is way better in my opinion. Easier to pass. I don't really look at, June contract or something like this, since NQ with B adjustment right here, which adjusts to current contract changes, has more data, candles data. So I look for levels right here. Why Rhythmic? I cannot say like trader weight is issue for everyone, but it was issue for me because I had lots of ghost orders, like orders from nowhere. And I don't know why it was a problem. And I decided to switch to Rhythmic, and like for the last 7 months with 20P accounts, maybe 8 months already. I know, like almost 8 months, by the way, yeah. Zero issue. Rhythmic is way better for me. I don't know if TradeWeight fixes. I don't know if every single person had this issue, but I had this issue. I decided to try Rhythmic. I'm with Apex for 2 years, like overall. I'm okay to trade with trade and drawdown already. Like I used to trade with this one, so I don't have any problem trading with trade and drawdown. Yes, I have 20 funded 50K Rhythmic accounts. Exactly, no issues, no problem with executions, absolutely nothing. But also I have 4 past accounts evaluations just for to have this like extra accounts. And maybe I will get more. I just don't know why I need this. It's better to get evaluations with different prop firms. Yeah, I do trade like oil, gold, silver. What else? Euro, yes, NQ. Most of the time, gold, silver, and NQ. Like most of the time. Because 50K is way easier to pass. Way easier, in my opinion. So 5-minute order block is valid for reversal retracement. So since we got already weekly level, we're looking for potential smart money reversal on medium time frame. It can be 15-minute, it can be 5-minute. Okay, I will share my analysis on CL. So what I saw on CL today. So we got sweep right here, but it's already not long for me because 50% of this week right here was broken. It's already invalidation. So nothing right now on for chart tells me something. But what I see, for example, based on this level right here, yes, we got the closure. Yes, it can be tricky. But what we can see right here, this candle this week, stayed below 50% from this week. It can be first sign of bearishness. Switching on 30-minute chart, what we got right here. Did we get sweep? We don't have sweep. So 30-minute chart doesn't tell me a lot right now on our chart. So since price respected actually stayed below 50% of this week right here, it was bearish sign to me. Then price broke below 50% of our week lower. This means already bearish. So if you're looking for long or short right now, I cannot see any. So really, in order to look for short for me, I need to get the structure, at least structure on 30-minute chart or maybe 15-minute chart. Right now, nothing tells me like, okay, I would like to short this because I cannot see like good structure right here. But for example, let's say we still have 25 more minutes. This candle right here going to sweep this high. I don't know. Maybe it will happen. I don't know. And we are going to close within this range. If we may get this, then yes, it can be first potential short opportunity. Potential. How far? maybe to this low, but it's going to be first short potential opportunity. Right now, just if you want to ask me, do you want to short? No, because I cannot see from where I would like to short. Once you got this the action right here, it was already a bit tricky, but switching on 5-minute chart, over here we got order block. Order block from here. So only entry for short was right here, and that's it. From here, I cannot see any other entries, like only right here, short, based on hourly SIP, 5-minute structure. So we don't have fair value. Oh, actually, we got fair value gap right here. Never mind, we got 2 potential entries. Fair value gap and 5-minute change in the state of delivery. That's it. Right now, if 30-minute candle wants to close above the high that I mentioned before, it can be continuation lower. If you want to like short right now, I cannot find any reason. If 30-minute candle is going to close above this level, can be invalidation. Knife and value is 25K. I would say it's like personal preference. I would say I don't really know SMT with CL what I can use, because lots of people say different instruments for this SMT. I don't really use SMT. RB. Maybe. Oh yeah. See, we got SMT right here. Okay, yes. Thank you for letting me know. I'm going to it right now, right here. Okay, thank you for letting me know. So yeah, we got SMT, even better right here. Hard to long this, like 100%. Thank you guys. I didn't know. Thank you. Over here. Which webinar I'm going to share right now. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. Okay. Okay, guys. Any other questions? Can I go? Because I want to go. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I did my best today. Was patient. We got winners. Winner trade. We actually could get 2 if you were smart people and shorted from here like we wanted. But okay, not going to complain about what never happened. See you next week, guys. Enjoy your weekend, study, but take a break as well from screen, from charts. It's a good practice. Winners will get email with their accounts. I hope this weekend. I hope. What should you study? This one. You can study this one. And based on this information right here that I sent the link, I hope we are going to have backtest session together. So we'll just open random day on NQ, because most people trade NQ or gold, whatever, silver, whatever. And we'll try to backtest. I hope to find the time for this, because I backtest this on my own every single night. So of course I can stream during the night, but my kids sleep. So I'm like prefer to be silent. But I hope you are going to do backtest session. If price action is going to be not perfect next week, one day, we can do backtest session instead, which is great in my humble opinion. Yeah. Okay. Backtest session is always nice. Also, I will start working on a new video on YouTube, which will cover several like entry models based on ICT Concept. Like for example, Unicorn, Silver Bullet 2022 model, liquidity sweep, inversion, twins model. What else? What else do I have there? Something else. Oh, FIP retracement, and so on. On Monday, maybe Monday is going to be amazing price action. We never know, so we never know. Do you have OnlyFans? Are you serious? Maybe it will be my second job one day. I don't know. Who knows? No, I don't have it. Okay, guys. I will see you next week. I hope you're going to have backtest session as well next week. Next week, I hope. Actually, need to check Forex Factory to see what we have next week. Interesting. Next week, every single day is like high-impact news. Guess you're funny. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. For some reason, I feel like next week is going to be good to trade. It's going to be big volatility. I hope so. How to deal with trading drawdown? Just don't trade minis. Trade micros, like 3, 5, 6 micros, maybe. It will help. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it. Congratulations, winners. We had so much fun today. Tomorrow's Saturday, perfect time with kids, with family. What else I want to say? Nothing, I guess. Nothing. Okay, guys, I will see you next week. Don't make stupid mistakes. And bye, guys.